Looking for an ink cartridge that delivers sharp, reliable prints without breaking the bank? The HP 21 ink cartridge might be exactly what you need. Compatible with a wide range of HP Deskjet, Officejet, and PSC printers, this cartridge promises up to twice the prints compared to refill cartridges, meaning fewer replacements and more productivity. I've personally tested the HP 21 in my home office printer, and the difference is clear. The print quality is consistently crisp, whether I'm printing documents or photos. Plus, with an approximate yield of 190 pages per cartridge, it keeps up with moderate printing demands without frequent interruptions. It's genuine HP ink, designed to work seamlessly with your printer, which matters when you want hassle-free printing every time. What's in the box? You get 2 black HP 21 cartridges, ready to install right out of the package. Users across the U.S. appreciate the quick delivery and fair price, especially when local stores run out. Some have noted occasional compatibility issues, but for most, it's a straightforward replacement that keeps printers running smoothly. If you want dependable ink that won't compromise your print quality, this cartridge is worth a look. If you're tired of inconsistent print results or constantly hunting for affordable ink, the HP 21 cartridge offers a balance of quality and value. It fits numerous HP models, including Deskjet D1311, D1320, D1330, D1341, D1420, D1430, D1445, D1520, D1530, D2330, D2460, and F340, as well as Officejet 4315, J3640, J3680, PSC 1410, and HP 3180. That broad compatibility makes it a versatile choice for many users. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? Try the HP 21 ink cartridge when you want consistent results without hassle. It's a practical solution that keeps your printer performing at its best, no surprises, just solid prints. If that's you, this cartridge is worth considering for your next purchase.